Hello YouTube, welcome to my review of this multi-tool. You're at the We All Juggle Knives channel, by the way. Welcome one and all. This is kind of a mysterious multi-tool. I purchased it some time ago on Amazon for $14. Alright, but shortly after that, it sold out and it disappeared. Our only clue is that logo there. Right, so if anybody knows where these are available now, you can tell us in the comments section, right? But yeah, these sold out and the seller disappeared. All right, but nonetheless, I'm going to review this multi-tool because I have it in hand and people like to see tools in use. This has a plain edge knife blade. It's got a thumb stud on one side and that is a partial hollow grind. And it is a liner lock. That is the lock there. It also has pliers that they spring out. You see that? You just press that switch, so they deploy one-handed, right? And then you press it again, and you can fold them back up, like so. That's pretty cool. Now on the back it has, well, you got a Phillips screwdriver, and all of these tools also lock. You have a can opener, and you have a bottle opener with a flathead on the end. And those all lock. And to disengage the lock, once again, you have to push on the switch. That switch there disengages the lock. So everything locks. All right, and this also has a pocket clip you see there. All right, an interesting minimalist tool set. So no file, no wood saw, no reamer, none of that. No scissors, but still useful. All right, here it is doing stuff. We have some, going to start off on the easy wire with the wire cutters. Does well on that. Now some little thicker wire. Does well on that. We're getting some freezing rain here. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but as I'm narrating this. All right, we got some even thicker wire. Now I'm wearing the gloves there because the way the handle is on this, it'll like cut into your flesh if you apply a lot of force, right? But it did cut the wire. Now another use, you can do surgery. Now you can pull stuff out like so with the needle nose part. Useful. You can also bend wire into any sort of useful shape. I hope you're all doing well these days. I'm doing pretty well. Got more multi-tools coming up. So that is as wide as they open, right? So they don't open too wide there, but nonetheless you can use them to turn things, tighten things, loosen things, hold things. So altogether pretty useful. I like the aluminum scales on this, the high-vis scales. They look pretty snazzy for sure. All right, another use. I got my Stanley snap-off utility knife. You can grip things and snap like so. Alright, here's the knife cutting some things. Got my paracord there. Made short work of the paracord. Here it is whittling. I sped this footage up because, hey, we're all busy people. We got things to do. Like I said, I hope you're all doing well during these tough times. I shall endeavor to try to keep producing content to keep you entertained. You know, I have a lot of subscribers that they watch all the multi-tool reviews, but they've never bought one of the multi-tools. Well, that's understandable. I mean, like you, I have my Leatherman Surge, my Leatherman Wave, things like that. So, but a lot of people just like to watch multi-tool reviews because they like to just see tools in use. It's not like you're going to buy every freaking multi-tool. I wouldn't expect that. Alright, so I whittled it and then I finished it with that sandpaper, smoothed it out. That's a pressure point activator. Alright, initial sharpness on some paper. This is after a slight touch-up. And there you have it. So, I have to say, you know, that is a partial hollow grind stainless steel, but they know how to make an edge. Whoever made this, they did know how to make an edge. It was quite sharp. And with cheaper steel, you might have to resharpen more often, but it takes an edge. Alright, here's one of the screwdrivers on one of the screws on my Kershaw Camp 12. So I like that these lock. This is a pretty cool multi-tool. You know, I'm trying to think, what situation would I need this tool set and only this tool set? I don't know, it's hard to think of one, but I'm sure somebody needs this exact tool set. Alright, here's the other driver on the pivot screw on my Emerson Persian. Alright, there you go. Yeah, it's been a while since I've reviewed an Emerson, but I still have my older collection. Alright, so there you go. Oh, it was a little too loose. Just right. Alright, here's the can opener. It's a push type can opener. I'm just going to pierce the can once just to show that it's well sharp enough to do its job. Here is the pocket clip doing the pocket clip thing. Alright, I am left-handed, so it's on that side. Seems to work well. Alright, here's the bottle opener with some alcohol that I swiped from a housemate. And there you go. So that worked well. Now this multi-tool is actually quite similar to a CRKT multi-tool that I reviewed previously. You can check out that video. And there it is, but the big difference is the blade. The CRKT has a Tonto tip and a combo edge. Right? But the blades are different, but this, right, those are pretty much identical. Alright, so made by the same maker? The same factory? I don't know. And anyway, hope you enjoyed this review. I think it's an okay tool for the price I paid. I wish I knew where it was available, but I have subscribers all over the world, so somebody in some country knows where to get this. Maybe somebody in India, something like that. Alright, but yeah, I think it's a good value depending on what price you can find. And if you can't find this, but you want something with that feature, you can buy the CRKT tool. I'll include a link to that, but it is more expensive than this was, unfortunately. Now in the text description box, I will include an updated list of all the good budget multi-tools, right? If you don't need this, there's bound to be something on that list that might catch your fancy. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try to use the links included. Those do help support the channel, and I really appreciate all who use them. Consider subscribing if you like videos like this, where the video maker gives you information about an item as they demonstrate some of its features. Alright, this has been We All Juggle Knives and Multi-Tools. I'm out.